So let's create a linear function to model some data. The local hardware store charges $28 to rent a carpet cleaning machine for 24 hours, so that's 1 day, and $10.98 for each medium-sized bottle of rug shampoo. We are going to write a linear equation, S, that represents the cost of renting the machine for X days, there's my variable, along with 2 bottles of the cleaner. So S of X, there's my function notation. S of X equals, you're going to do $28 per day. $28 for 24 hours. So $28 per day plus you're going to have 2 bottles of rug shampoo. So $10.98 times 2. My constant is actually that $10.98 times 2. So we could write this as 28x plus $21.96. Then it says evaluate S of 2. Well, S of 2 means I'm going to plug 2 into my function. 28 times 2 is 56, plus the 21.96 equals 77.93. Then it says interpret the meaning. Well, the meaning is the cost to rent the cleaner for 2 days with 2 bottles of cleaner is $77.93. That would be the interpretation given the context of the problem as well as the answer. Then we're going to talk about one more model, and that is the model that is the linear cost, revenue, and profit function. So cost is how much it costs to produce items. Revenue is how much money you bring in by selling those items. And then the profit model is the difference between revenue and cost. So let's look at a specific example. Alina is starting a summer business power washing home driveways and sidewalks. She will charge $35 to pressure clean a driveway and the sidewalk in front of the house. Her startup cost includes her initial purchase of the power washer for $330 and a fee of $2 per house that she has to pay to the homeowners association for use of the water. Write a linear cost. So the first thing we're going to write is we're going to write the cost function for power washing X number of homes. Well, the cost is she has to pay for her power washer plus $2 per house. The revenue function is she's charging $35 per house. So the profit function is the revenue minus the cost. That means we're doing 35x minus 330 plus 2x. So when we distribute that minus, 35 minus 2x is going to be 33x minus 330. So that's going to be my profit function. So then it says, how much profit will Alina make if she power washes 15 homes? Well, 15 homes means I'm finding P of 15. So that's going to be 33 times 15 minus 330. And that comes out to be $165. So the last question says, how many homes must Alina power wash to make $330? That means profit of $330. Well, that means that we're going to do 330 equals 33x minus 330. So that's the equation I'm going to solve. So I'm going to add 330. So 660 equals 33x. And when we divide by 33, we find out that x equals 20. So she will have to power wash 20 homes in order to make her $330.